Hi everyone, it's ELLE KOS Glam. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the 12 days of Christmas with me, and we're on day 3. Today we'll be doing a fun video. We're going to be touring my husband's surprise gift for Christmas, my Christmas village. And I'm so excited to share it. It's full of Disney and LEMAX miniatures, and it's right over here under the Christmas tree that we toured yesterday. If you haven't watched my tour of my Disney Christmas tree, make sure you go back and watch it. It'll be right here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give you time to go back and look at it. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to both our channels. I am also on Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and share our dreams with you and help you travel the world and create memories. We have all this stuff, but this stuff means nothing without memories. So make sure you create memories of your own. Here on ELLE KOS Glam, I keep it beauty, I keep it decor, and I keep it 100% style and class, and I love to celebrate elegance. So let's finish celebrating Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed this fun video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Let's start off at the Disney Springs store. We went Christmas shopping there to pick up a few things and Mr. Traveler Christmas gift. Hi everybody, we're at the Disney store. Mr. Traveler is picking the train that he wants. I had to show him the gift that I got him early because I couldn't wait. So we built in the village. And that's the one we're gonna get.
See, this one has 5 cars and remote control and more tracks.
You have 6 minutes for everything. You just ate at Raglan Grove.
And we're back from shopping. We went ahead and set up everything, the tree and the village. Here is my Disney whimsical tree that I based on Candyland. And here is my village that I set up. This is the Disney train that Mr. Traveler chose as a gift for Christmas. The Grand Carousel, the North Pole, there's light poles to go with it, and some fake snow. Here is the countdown clock from LEMAX, and it's fun because you can choose the days until Christmas. Here is the North Pole with Santa, its animated characters, illumination, and movement all throughout the North Pole. This is also from LEMAX. Here is the Grand Carousel. It does a full rotation with music and moving of the horses, and it's lit up. It is beautiful. Here is my Disney characters that I love so much in small miniature figurines. Behind it is the Cookie Palace from LEMAX. Here is my gingerbread station. I ordered from Valerie. I really love this gingerbread house. I loved it so much that I got Snowball one. So we have a small house and a big one. And here's a full view of most of the village that I have so far. I still have a long ways to go. And in the back, the 2 signs, one is directions to North Pole, and the other one is a Santa special delivery mailbox I picked up from Michael's. Here's a full view of my little village for right now. It's a start, but it's not going to be finished until years from now. I'm going to add a piece every year, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the Disney train just a little closer so you can take a full look at it. It also has a caboose on it. It's so cute. It has music. It toots just like a train. It's pulling a caboose, and it has Mickey and Minnie, and Minnie is doing twirls on ice skates with Daffy and Daisy. I love it. Here's another look at my tree. is a Disney whimsical tree with a Candyland theme, and everything is Disney. I love the train. It adds a sense of nostalgia to our Christmas tree. It reminds us of when we were kids, and we love it. Mr. Traveler really loves it. It has a working light. It sounds just like a train. Like I said, those signs in the back were from Michael's. Thank you so much for watching today. We're all set. I hope you enjoyed my little miniature memories of life. Like I said, this is just stuff, but what we do will create memories, and that's the only thing that will last. I hope you enjoyed the videos thus far on this week, and make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow where we're going to tour Disney World itself. I want to go ahead and take a look at all the lights and see what's been done, the changes that has been made in my neighborhood, because I live in Disney and everybody knows I live in Orlando, Florida. I love living here and I love Disney, but I also love to celebrate the reason why we are here on this earth, and that is because of the risen King. So thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care, have fun. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.